just creating problem. They just want to create some confusion. They are being paid, they are hired agents, they are hirelings. What they want to do? There is a momentum now in Nigeria.
That is the word going around.
Yes.
That they are being paid.
Yes.
Give us an understanding of that dimension.
The dimension is there is a momentum now in Nigeria. The masses of Nigeria, they have taken their own destiny in their own hands and they are ready to cause a change. This momentum is making some people uncomfortable. Those who are benefiting from the status quo, those who are benefiting from the old order, where people dictate to people, that old order, some people are comfortable with it because they are enjoying it. But now the masses of Nigeria, they have moved. These are an exodus. And there is a momentum. And they are afraid. Why they are attacking the party now was because formerly, they didn't take the party too seriously. But they have seen what the party is doing. And they now believe that, let us try to scotch you this momentum. Let us try to...
On the Julius Abure side, the belief is that Lamidi Apapa and the rest are being paid. That's what you said.
Yes, they are being paid.
By who? Who is paying them? Political
opponents, of course. Like, there are some political parties who are afraid.
18 political parties.
Yes, it will be the major ones.
Who are those?
The APC, majorly.
Are the ones funding?
Yes. Now, this is...
So you think... So your belief and your accusation tonight is that the APC, according to you, is funding Lamidi Apapa to scuttle or to distort or to dismember the Labour Party. Is that your position tonight?
Yes, all the political parties that stole votes in the last election, APC and some PDP in some areas, who stole the votes of a Labour Party, now we are now at the tribunal. And they are seeing the way we are going. They are seeing that we are going to win most of our cases at the tribunal. And they have seen that, how do we do it? Can we weaken this movement? Can we slow them down?
Do you have evidence of this allegation?
They have said it. They have been writing to tribunals to withdraw cases. Lamidi Apapa has signed letters to the tribunal that say that Labour Party is withdrawing. You know, but this is it's all a joke. There's no way they can get away with it.
Is that the evidence of money taken?
Yes, they are reaching. How will they do it? They are being paid to do it. How will they write letters to tribunals withdrawing petitions filed by the party? They thought they could do it, but that is ignorant. Because when the petition is filed, apart from the council who filed the petition signing the petition, the petitioners also sign. Now, if the petitioners have signed, the petitioner including the party, somebody has signed on behalf of the party, how can an external person who has no legal authority
Mr. Edun, I assume because you're a lawyer, yes, you know the ramification of the allegation that you have leveled. I mean, and I'm asking for the evidence.
There's circumstantial evidence. Circumstantial evidence can be so strong and cogent.
So primary.
Yes, can be so strong and cogent as to be believed. Circumstantial evidence can be so cogent.
And do you have this as real as it comes?
Yes, we can see it. How will they write? If you say you are the national chairman of a political party, though he's claiming that wrongfully, he's claiming that ignorantly, because there is a procedure by which you emerge. Nobody, even in that court that they are, that the issue of Lamidi Apapa is not in that court.
Just hold on for me, Mr. Edun, and let me take up this business for